India Today has done a special investigation showing how drugs are easily available in even posh localities in Mumbai. The situation now hints at alarming levels of drug consumption in the Bollywood town. Here's a special report from Mumbai.
Former arrests underway in the drug angle to Sushant Singh Rajput's death. But what is happening in one high-profile case appears to mirror what is occurring across Mumbai. Welcome to the drug hotspots ringing Bandra's posh neighborhoods. An India Today investigation has found how the sale and use of contraband from charas, ganja, ecstasy to cocaine has exploded well beyond celebrity parties to impoverished slums of the metropolis. The man seen on your screen is peddling it to the youth in broad daylight. The location is barely 200 meters from the apartment of arrested drug suspect Abdul Basit Parihar, right across the street. Our investigative reporters found how peddlers are running the show brazenly in these dusty lanes of Bandra, just a kilometer from where actor Sushant Singh Rajput lived and died. When our undercover reporter met this peddler posing as staff of a wealthy businessman hosting a drug party, he offered us MDMA, commonly known as ecstasy, a reference to which is allegedly found in WhatsApp chats purportedly of Riya Chakraborty.
MD? नहीं कितने की आएगी?
क्या बात कर रहा है?
क्या भाई?
अरे मैं सैंपल बता रहा भाई, अभी भरेली आएंगे ब्लॉक पूरी हो।
मेरे को 200 ग्राम चाहिए।
कितना चाहिए?
200 ग्राम।
50 करके दूंगा भाई।
हाँ?
50 200 ग्राम। नहीं है भाई।
कितना पड़ेगा? कितने का पड़ेगा? 1200 रुपये ग्राम। हाँ? ये मिलेगा? कोकीन?
में मिलेगा।
स्टॉक कैसे मिलेगा?
हाँ।
कितने का मिलेगा?
4000 रुपये। इनका भाई का डिब्बे आएंगे बुलाने।
कितना ग्राम होगा उसमें?
अपना 7034 रहेगा।
कितना ग्राम होगा? 1 ग्राम। हाँ? बल्क में मिलेगा क्वांटिटी में?
कल जो मिलेगा पूरी चौक रहेगा। चौक आता है ना?
हाँ।
पूरा चौक रहेगा।
आधा पैसा एडवांस देंगे तो ही मिलेगा, नहीं तो नहीं मिलेगा भाई।
तो एक साथ तो 50 मिल जाएगा ना?
एक साथ 50 मिल जाएगा, लेकिन आधा एडवांस देना पड़ेगा।
We now inquired about ganja and found a peddler selling it some yards away.
ये वीड है।
ये गांजा।
ये 50 पीस चाहिए हो? 50-100 पीस। कितने का मिलेगा?
भाई 100 रुपए के।
100 रुपए के।
We now probe Bandra East. The lanes through these shanties also teem with ganja peddlers like this man.
माल चाहिए? क्या है?
घास है काला नहीं। घास है गांजा है।
गांजा है?
पूरी मिलता हमारा। पूरा कितना? पूरी मिलेगा।
तो पूरी कितने की आएगी?
पूरी 130 रुपए की।
हाँ?
130 रुपए की पूरी।
130 रुपए की गांजा।
Gangs operating freely with territories divided slum to slum. A sign drug consumption has grown alarmingly in the Bollywood city. Mohammad Hizbullah, Jamshed Khan and Nitin Jain for India Today's special investigation team.
A day after Riya's brother Shawik, along with Sushant's former manager Samuel Miranda, were taken into arrest, now the Narcotics Control Bureau has arrested another domestic staffer by the name of Dipesh Sawant. Heat is clearly mounting now on Riya Chakraborty on an alleged drug link, and she is likely to now be questioned by the NCP on Sunday. Take a look at this comprehensive report on what's been happening over the drug angle.
The Narcotic Bureau's investigation in Sushant's death case exploded on Saturday. After being arrested on Friday, Riya's brother Shawik and Sushant's former house manager Samuel Miranda were sent to 4-day NCB custody till September 9th. Heat is now mounting on Sushant's girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty. She has been summoned for questioning by the NCB on Sunday. India Today has accessed a list of questions that NCB will pose to Rhea. She is likely to be questioned about her drug chats, procurements of drugs, and most importantly, whether she, along with buying, was also consuming drugs. But that's not all. Samuel Miranda has made an explosive admission before NCB. He claims that he arranged weed for Sushant between September 2019 to March 2020. He has also named Shauvik's friend Suryadeep, who he alleges delivered weed to Sushant's and Rhea's homes. India Today has accessed Shauvik's remand copy, which states that drug peddler Basit was selling marijuana to him. According to NCB, Shauvik at times paid for the drugs from his credit cards. But the NCB said no drugs have been seized from Rhea and Shauvik's residence when it was raided by them on Friday.
ड्रग हमें स्टार्टिंग में करण से मिले, हमें अब्बास से मिले ड्रग प्रोसीड जो कि इंडियन एंड फॉरेन करेंसी था वो हमें जायद से मिला. तो ड्रग्स के अलावा अगर आप एनडीपीएस एक्ट समझेंगे, अगर आपने ड्रग बेच चुके हो, ड्रग का प्रोसीड है तो उसको भी ड्रग की तरह ही सीज किया जाता है. देयर इज स्पेसिफिक सेक्शन 27 ने उसको ऐड किया गया. तो
रिया के घर पे कुछ मिला है सर? आप जब सर्च किया तो रिया के घर पर
नो सीजर.
NCB is expected likely to grill Shauvik and Rhea together to unearth the bigger drug nexus.
Along with Zayed and Basit, the Narcotics Control Bureau now has Shauvik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda in its custody. NCB says that its investigation is still in the preliminary stage and that there are many more names that it needs to track and many more people that it needs to apprehend. Meanwhile, Samuel Miranda had accepted that he used to procure drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput. In all likelihood now, Rhea Chakraborty is going to be summoned and questioned by the NCB. With camera person Samir Shanbag, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
So while trouble may be brewing for Rhea Chakraborty, how did it all really started with regard to the Narcotics Bureau exploring the drug angle? Let's take a look. This is how the NCB reached the end point of taking into arrest the brother and the house manager. It all began with the arrest of, take a look, two individuals, Abbas Lakhani, who's been taken into arrest, and Karan Arora, who had bought ganja. They are suspected dealers as well, and on 28 August, they were taken into arrest. They were caught allegedly with 46 grams of weed. They both, after questioning, named one Zayed Vilatras, who also is a suspected peddler. He was arrested from his house. NCB, apart from his arrest, also seized about 9 lakh rupees along with foreign currency, which after questioning he seems to have admitted was from selling drugs. Zayed then disclosed the name of, take a look, another individual, Abdul Basit Parihar. He's also now been taken into arrest, another suspected peddler of drugs. When NCB, the Narcotics Bureau, grilled Abdul Basit, he then seems to have spilled the beans, and that is when he has named Shauvik Chakraborty, the brother, younger brother of Rhea Chakraborty, and Samuel Miranda, the former house manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, both of them now in the custody. So this could be about an active member being of a drug syndicate larger, but will it have a connect to Sushant Singh Rajput death case? The CBI on Saturday took a special 3-member team of doctors from Delhi All India Institute of Medical Sciences that is also examining forensic reports to actor Sushant Singh Rajput's Mumbai home for a forensic examination. Along with Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Meetu Singh, actors aides Neeraj and Keshav, the CBI team once again recreating the scene to unearth possibly the mystery of this tragic death.
Central Bureau of Investigation has intensified its probe into the mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput. It was an action-packed day with CBI sleuths once again visiting the late actor's Bandra flat where he was found dead. For the first time, a team of AIIMS doctors also reached Sushant Singh Rajput's house. Also present were all those who were there on the fateful morning of June 14. CBI brought together Sushant's sister Meetu Singh, who was the first family member to arrive after Sushant was found dead, along with Sushant Singh Rajput's flatmate Siddharth Pithani and two cooks, Neeraj and Keshav, to the late actor's house as the probe agency tried to recreate the crime scene once again.
Remember, Meetu Singh was the first person from family to reach the crime scene when Sushant Singh Rajput died on June 14. CBI wants to understand is that when Meetu Singh reached the residence, how exactly Sushant's body was lying and where were his other belongings.
The CBI, through Meetu, also wants to understand how the staff of Sushant, Neeraj, Dipesh and Keshav and his flatmate Siddharth Pithani were behaving after the actor's death. From Sushant's home, CBI took Pithani for another round of grilling. Later, Sushant's sister Meetu also went to CBI SIT office to record her statement. CBI hasn't officially ruled out murder in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case, but the agency wants to probe every minute detail before coming to a conclusion in a case which has already seen many twists and turns. With inputs from Munish Pandey, Bureau Report, India Today.
80 days since Sushant Singh Rajput died, the investigation in his death has now taken several twists and turns. There was earlier allegations of murder, suicide, to the financial irregularities angle as well. But it is the drug aspect in this case where the developments have now even led to many arrests. Take a look now at this report into what has been happening in the death case and investigation of Sushant Singh Rajput by different agencies.
3 investigations by 3 of the country's top agencies to solve the biggest mystery of the year, Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. It all began on June 14, 2020 with Sushant's alleged suicide at his Bandra flat in Mumbai. After sensational allegation from Sushant's family, Mumbai police got cracking on the case to find out whether Sushant was murdered. But unsatisfied with the Mumbai police's probe, family demanded a CBI inquiry, and their plea was heard. And the case was transferred to CBI on August 5 on the recommendation of Bihar government. CBI Special Investigation Team landed in Mumbai on August 21 and began its probe focusing on the big question, whether Sushant died by suicide or was he murdered. But nearly 15 days after it began questioning suspects, till now, nothing conclusive has come out of that aspect of investigation.
Sushant Singh Rajput was killed or it's a case of suicide. Even after 16 days of probe, CBI is yet to conclude that whether it's a case of suicide or it's a case of murder. But sources within the Central Bureau of Investigation have told India Today that till now they have no concrete evidence to suggest that Sushant Singh Rajput was killed, but still they are trying to build a case against Riya Chakravarti for abetting suicide of the late actor.
Apart from murder-suicide probe, another apex agency, the Enforcement Directorate, has been probing another allegation levelled by Sushant's father, accusing Riya of embezzling 15 crore rupees of Sushant's money. But so far, no proof has surfaced showing transfer of 15 crores from Sushant's bank accounts to Riya Chakravarti.
In the case against Riya Chakravarti, there are 2 major charges: abetment to suicide and embezzlement of 15 crore rupees from Sushant Singh Rajput's accounts to some suspicious accounts. 6 people have been charged, which includes Riya Chakravarti, her family members and 2 staffers working for Sushant Singh Rajput. Probing the financial angle and alleged money laundering, Enforcement Directorate launched a probe in this case and have questioned around 20 people. Sources tell us that they are yet to find any crucial leads regarding the missing 15 crore rupees.
After the Mumbai Police, CBI and ED, the Narcotics Control Bureau then entered the picture. And unlike the other probe agencies, their investigation has led to some sensational revelations. NCB, just a week into its investigation into drugs link, arrested Riya's brothers Shouvik and Sushant's ex-house manager Samuel Miranda, making it the first big arrest in the Sushant death probe.
NCB used
digital evidence and relevant sections of NDPS Act to build this entire case. Starting from drug peddlers reaching Shovik and now approaching Rhea Chakrabarti.
It has been nearly 80 days since Sushant Singh Rajput died, and while different agencies are working to solve the mystery of Sushant's death, will the narcotics probe finally bring closure to this case, or is it just the tip of the iceberg? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.